So now for this last video, we're going to be talking about interpreting a diagram. So in geometry, especially when we do stuff like proofs, which is going to be later on, it is important to know what you can and what you can't conclude from a diagram. So for example, let's say I have this diagram right here. Stuff I can conclude are that all points shown are coplanar, so they're all on one plane. I can conclude that A, B, and C are collinear, which again, that means that they are on the same line, and B is in fact in between A and C. I can conclude that AC and ray BD and ray BE all intersect at point B. I can see that from the diagram. I can see that DBE, so this angle, and EBC, this angle, are adjacent. I can see that they share that same side in a vertex, and that ABC is a straight line. I can also see that point E lies in the interior of DBC. That point is inside of that angle. But here are some things that I can't conclude. I can't conclude that AB is congruent to BC. Why can't I? Well, there's no tick marks. Even though it really looks like they're congruent just looking at it, I can't conclude that unless I see these tick marks here. So if those tick marks are there, I can then conclude that they're congruent. But when there's no tick marks, I can't. Another thing I can't conclude is that DBE, this angle, is congruent to angle EBC. Why can't I conclude that? They really look like they're congruent. Well, I can't because there's no arc marks. And those are the arcs I just made. So in order for you to conclude that two angles are congruent from a diagram, these arcs that I just made have to be on there. If they're not, you can't conclude it. And then the last thing is that angle ABD is a right angle. So ABD is a right angle. It really looks like it is from this picture, but I can't conclude it unless there's a box. So there's no box signifying it, so there'd have to be that box right there. But if there's not, you can't conclude it. Okay, that's it for today. If you have any questions, you can always inbox me. I have some extra examples down below that you can look at. Otherwise, you can go ahead and get started on that homework assignment. Have a great day.